Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs, kalapun ko burom ya ki Nongïalehkai bat ki coach jong kajala ki bla job ha Kalimpong Nongïalehkai Second Northeast Olympic Games kabadang syudap long ha ubnay na iwing bat haringkat kajing pelat pa ya ka sports scholarship scheme. Ha kani kasngi lawan banyadon lang da ukon rat ke sangma menteri rang ba kajala kumukongsan uba bantay do lingdo menteri Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs sumbut kongsan ba John F. Kyrshan President ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association, S. Awasthi IAS Director Sports and Youth Affairs, Paya Warnongbri Assistant Director Sports and Youth Affairs, ba Finally Pariat General Secretary ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association lembat kiway-kiway.
Let's welcome our shooters from Meghalaya.
We want a lot of infrastructure to be created. I hope, and it will happen very soon, that both the GN Stadium Indoor Complex and the PS Sangma Indoor Complex in Tura, when these two indoor complexes come out, I can assure you, you will see that these will be one of the best indoor complexes in the Northeast and maybe in the country as a whole. You will see the kind of, the indoor swimming pools that will be there in both of them. There will be indoor basketball courts, indoor badminton courts, indoor table tennis arena, and for all. These kind of large indoor facilities have never been created. And we are a state where there is a lot of rainfall every year. And hence you need infrastructure which is weatherproof. And hence these are the kind of infrastructures, and I hope that as we move along, these infrastructures can be created even at the rural areas and in the districts in all over the state. Of course, it will take time. It's not easy. It requires a lot of money and funds, but it's something that we intend to do. So I would once again thank the associations for the great work that you've been doing. Let me assure the associations that we as the government will continue to support you, because you do what you're doing today because of the passion that you have for this.
The stars are brightly shining. Is the light of our Jesus in His blood. Long lay the world of sin and error pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees.
A hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. Then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. When you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you. It's a long road, but when you face the world alone, no one reaches out a hand for you to hold.